on this episode of Doorbell News.
What are you doing in my yard?
Sorry.
What do you got here? What are you doing in my yard? Sit down and wait for the police.
I just wanted to grab a lighter.
I just want to see why you're in my backyard.
You're now watching Doorbell News.
Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Check this guy out. Yeah, his intentions are obvious. Yeah, this is pretty sad. At least they got his face on camera. Houston, Texas. A woman rings someone's doorbell late night. She appears to have nowhere to stay. Looks like she has some sort of pillow or blanket in her hand.
Hello?
Would you open the door for her? Houston, Texas. Check this guy out. Portland, Oregon. A homeowner catches a pirate snooping around his backyard. Let's see what happens.
Sorry.
What are you doing? What are you doing in my yard?
Sorry. No lighter.
What do you got here? What are you doing in my yard?
It's just on.
Sit down and wait for the police.
I just wanted to grab a lighter.
I just want to see why you're in my backyard.
I was looking for a lighter.
Where do you live? Where are you from? Sit down and wait.
Do you have one?
No. I don't have anything you can have.
She gets tired of sitting there like a little kid, so she goes for it.
Stay there.
Houston, Texas. Check out what's in his hand. Better be careful. Looks like this guy was prepared. Houston, Texas. The older I get, the less funny stuff like this is. Chicago, Illinois. How can I help you, sir? Get lost! Tucson, Arizona. A homeowner catches a bobcat stalking his chicken coop.
Get here.
Yeah.
Get here.
Yeah.
Get here.
Get lost, Bobcat.
Get here.
Maybe you should take that wooden plank off the fence. Looks like an easy entrance to the chicken coop. Chicago, Illinois. I don't know about these guys. Are they the locksmith? Looks like they're using a bunch of keys to try to gain entry to this woman's house. Let's see what happens. I mean, usually the locksmith has like a locksmith van or something that they'll park in front to let you know that they're legit locksmiths. I don't know about these guys. Nobody even called the locksmith. Who are these guys? These guys definitely at the wrong house. They definitely need to get lost.
I'm not home right now.
Yeah, I think they realized that, lady.
Can I help you?
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, I got the
Oh,
wrong address.
this is
I'm looking for
place. You gotta go on the
6164
other side.
Street. Not place.
All right, no problem.
Okay, I'm sorry. I apologize.
Maybe they really were doing some work. I don't know. The homeowner thinks they were up to no good. Meanwhile, in Portland.
You're not sorry. You're just like walking around like you can do whatever you want.
Sorry.
Why aren't you in a shelter?
I do go to a shelter. I just wanted to see if you had a lighter.
Yeah, you wanted to see if I had something to steal.
No, just a lighter. I promise that was all I wanted.
Go sit down.
Wanted to see. You don't have to call the police. I'm leaving. I'm on my way out.
We're gonna let you just sit in jail for a night. How about that?
Please don't.
Just stay right there. Go sit down.
Can I just go?
No, you can't go. Fuck that. I'm gonna sit in jail.
Can you not?
I got a chick who's in my backyard, and she walking around in the backyard this morning.
Okay, what's your address?
This guy kind of reminds me of my old school principal.
Do you know who she is?
She's homeless.
Just was looking for a lighter.
She says she's looking for a lighter, but that's bullshit.
Hey, go over there and sit down, buddy.
Okay.
Just stay where you are. Go sit down over there. Go on.
I just needed a lighter. I'm sorry. Sorry to trouble you. I'm going
Will
on
you
my
touch that gate?
I'm
Or
going
I'll
on my
smack you down, girl. Don't touch that.
Can I just go? I'm going on my way. I didn't take anything. You could check my pocket.
Yeah, since I caught you.
No, I just wanted a lighter. That's all I wanted. I just wanted a
You
lighter.
goddamn creepers creeping around everybody's house.
This is Jen from Doorbell News. We are now offering members only exclusive content.
Become a member of Doorbell News today. Get exclusive content. Join today for exclusive access.
Become a member of Doorbell News today.
Doorbell News Crime Watch. Coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.